comedian Munawar Farooqi took to his Instagram on Sunday and hinted that this was his time as a comedian and bid goodbye to his audience. On November 28th, Farooqi's show in Bengaluru was cancelled after having sold over 600 tickets. The Bengaluru police in a letter referred to Mr. Farooqi's show Dongri to Nowhere and said Mr. Farooqi is a controversial figure. It is learned that Munawar Farooqi is a controversial figure, as was his statements on other religions' gods. Many states have banned his comedy shows. It is learned that a case has been filed against him in Madhya Pradesh. Similar cases are filed against him in other states, the Ashoknagar police said in the letter. With 12 of his shows being cancelled in the last 2 months due to threats and pressure by right-wing groups and the police, he also feels that it's unfair for an artist to survive like this. Nafrat jeet gayi, artist haar gaya. Farooqi said, I'm done, goodbye.
4 बजे बेंगलुरु के रिचमंड टाउन के एक ऑडिटोरियम में मुनव्वर फारूकी करके एक हिंदू द्वेषी कॉमेडियन का एक कार्यक्रम में इसके विरुद्ध जय श्री राम सेना तरफ से शांतिनगर पुलिस स्टेशन में शिकायत दर्ज किया है। हिंदू जनजागृति समिति द्वारा पुलिस कमिश्नर को हमने मेमोरेंडम दिया, इस कार्यक्रम को रद्द होना चाहिए, इसको कैंसिल करना चाहिए, उनको अनुमति नहीं देना चाहिए।
So I have been watching Munawwar Farooqi shows on YouTube for a long time, ever since he started his journey. So to me, he's always saying that he's kind of like a witty comedy and not something. It's kind of unlike what other slapstick comedy that's usually seen on YouTube. So given the current attack on him from the Hindutva regime, it seems that the freedom of expression, the freedom to even express your opinions, the freedom to mock the whatever is wrong in our society, even that whatever spaces we had in our country, that's shrinking with every passing day. Earlier this year, Munawwar Farooqi was jailed for quite a long time. I think it was 3 months, just on the charges that he was about to say a joke about something. He was about to make an offensive joke. He was imprisoned before he even could actually perform. So that's the situation we are in right now. And after this, there has been concerted attacks regarding his shows all across the country. From the tweet that came from him today itself, we get to know that there has been a cancellation of 12 shows in the past few days. So that's the situation we are in right now. And in the context of Bangalore, there was a possibility that he was supposed to have a show today, but that got cancelled because some Hindutva groups actually pressed charges against him. There's basically no concrete charge against him. There's just a whole entire vilification campaign, and the entire administration is kind of playing along with it. Yeah, so power to Munawwar Farooqi. Let's hope that he does not leave comedy.
It's really unfortunate the actions by the Bangalore police. The Bangalore police have to provide protection for a show which has got censor certificate, and in fact this has been upheld by the Supreme Court as well. In West Bengal in 2019, a movie which had censor certificate was going to be screened, and some groups threatened to protest, and police put pressure on them to cancel. So the Supreme Court came down heavily on them and said that once a show has a censor certificate, nobody should stop the screening of the show, and if somebody is threatening to stop, police must give protection. And in fact the Supreme Court imposed a fine of 20 lakhs on them for their action. And this is the established law of the land. Munawwar Farooqi has the right to freedom of speech and expression, and that right includes our right as Bangaloreans and as viewers of the show to receive information also. Freedom of speech and expression is both to distribute information, share information, and also to receive information. And this is violative of his right and our right. And it's unfortunate that the police is listening. Is bowing down to lumpen elements who threaten to target a show instead of following the law of the land and instead of following the constitution. It's unfortunate, and as a Bangalorean, I'm really sad that in my city, a comedian's freedom of expression has been curtailed in this manner. First of all, for an indoor show, you don't need police permission, and police should not be curtailing like this. And they've sent a letter which is full of loopholes and which makes no sense legally. And that letter should be responded to, and it looks like the police does not have information of the law of the land. So maybe a letter needs to be written to the police quoting the Supreme Court judgment on this, quoting the constitution on this, and quoting the law of the land of this, so that police are reminded of their duty. Their duty is to uphold the constitution. Their duty is not to uphold the wishes and desires of Hindu Janajagrati Samiti or any other lumpen groups.